Hey there, welcome to this Python Zero to Expert series. In this series, my aim is to teach you Python from scratch, and I will explain everything in a very simple and easy to understand way so that you don't face any sort of difficulty in consuming what I am teaching in this series. And to watch this series, you don't need to have any sort of prior knowledge or experience. So, if you are at a point where you have zero knowledge about Python, at the end of the series, after learning everything I teach you, after practicing and patience, you will become good at Python. Now, the first question is, why should you learn Python? Because out there are a couple of programming languages, so why choose Python in the first place? Now, Python is a great choice as a first programming language because it is easier to learn as compared to other programming languages. It is high in demand, it is a very popular programming language, and it also pays well. So, if you want to make a career in web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, you have all of these fields. By learning Python, you can get into any of these fields and become a professional. Now, who is this Python series for? So, the first category is if you're a total beginner, you have zero knowledge, and you want to learn Python and become good at it, then this will be a great series for you. The next category is if you want to prepare for a class in school and you want to excel in that class, then this is a great series for you. Now, if you have done Python before, you can watch this series to fill the gaps and further solidify your Python concepts. And definitely, if you want to make a career in software development, then this will be a great series for you. So, who am I? Well, this is me. It's not a great picture, but I don't have any pictures. Now, I have been in software development for the past 6 years. I have also been teaching one on one to students for the past 3 years. And because of that experience teaching students, I understand the struggles that beginners face when they are learning to code. I understand why people, get stuck. They spend time, but they are not able to get good at programming. So I understand the reasons behind the common struggles that people face when they're learning how to code. Now, throughout this series, I will not only teach you how to code, but also guide you properly. I will also tell you how to practice so that eventually you can become good at Python programming. Now, I believe in you, and you should definitely have a solid belief in yourself. So, let's just get started.